Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers. Get ready to have your minds blown as we delve into the exciting world of quantum computing. And today, we're counting down the top 10 mind-boggling facts about this mind-bending technology. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get quantum. But hold on a second. What the heck is quantum computing anyway? Well, my friends, it's like upgrading your brain to superhuman levels of computational power. It's harnessing the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics to revolutionize the way we process information. Sounds cool, right? Let's dive in. Number 1. The magical coins of quantum computing. Quantum computers are not just bigger, faster versions of classical computers. No. They're a whole new breed of computing machines. Instead of using classical bits, which can be a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use mind-bending qubits that can be both 0 and 1 simultaneously. It's like having a magical coin that can be both heads and tails at the same time. Number 2. Quantum style. Quantum computers can perform calculations in parallel, exponentially increasing their computing power. While classical computers solve problems sequentially, quantum computers harness the power of superposition and entanglement to explore multiple solutions simultaneously. It's like having an army of tiny geniuses working on a problem together. Number 3. Quantum computers and the art of error correction. Quantum computers are incredibly sensitive. Even the tiniest disturbances from the outside world can disrupt the delicate quantum states, causing errors in calculations. It's like trying to maintain a perfectly balanced Jenga tower during an earthquake. Scientists are working hard to develop error correction techniques to tackle this challenge. Number 4. The epic battle of encryption and decryption. Quantum computers could revolutionize cryptography. Thanks to their immense computational power, they could break encryption methods that currently protect our data. But don't worry, quantum cryptography is also being developed to create unbreakable codes. It's like having an epic battle of encryption and decryption in the quantum realm. Number 5. Unveiling the secrets of molecules. Quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize drug discovery. With their ability to simulate and understand complex molecular interactions, they could speed up the development of life-saving drugs. It's like having a supercharged microscope that can zoom in and understand the tiniest building blocks of life. Number 6. Quantum computers, finding the perfect solutions. Quantum computers could revolutionize optimization problems. From optimizing supply chains and traffic flow to solving complex scheduling puzzles, quantum algorithms could find the most efficient solutions in record time. It's like having a quantum GPS that guides us through the most optimized routes in our everyday lives. Number 7. Witnessing the birth of a technological revolution. Quantum computers are still in their infancy. While we've made significant progress, building reliable and scalable quantum computers is no small feat. Scientists and engineers are working day and night to overcome technical challenges and unlock the true potential of this groundbreaking technology. It's like watching the birth of a quantum revolution. Number 8. Open doors to the quantum realm. Quantum computers are not just for the elite scientists. Companies like IBM, Google, Microsoft, and others are making quantum computing accessible to the masses through cloud-based platforms and open-source frameworks. This means that even if you don't have a quantum computer sitting in your basement, you can still tinker with quantum algorithms and explore the quantum realm. It's like having a virtual playground where anyone with a curious mind can join the quantum party. Number 9. Racing towards unparalleled computing power. Quantum supremacy is a hot topic in the quantum community. It refers to the point where a quantum computer can solve a problem that is practically impossible for classical computers to solve within a reasonable time frame. While we haven't quite reached quantum supremacy on all fronts yet, significant milestones have been achieved, sparking excitement and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's like witnessing a quantum race towards an era of unparalleled computing power. Number 10. Quantum computing lighting up the future. The future of quantum computing is mind-bogglingly bright. As scientists continue to push the limits of what's possible, we can expect quantum computing to have a profound impact on various fields, from medicine and finance to climate modeling and artificial intelligence. It's like opening the door to a whole new dimension of technological advancements and possibilities. And there you have it, my fellow quantum enthusiasts, the top 10 mind-blowing facts about quantum computing. But remember, we've only scratched the surface of this fascinating field, and there's still so much more to explore. So stay curious, keep learning, and who knows, you might just find yourself on the forefront of the quantum revolution. Thanks for joining me on this quantum-filled adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more mind-expanding content. And as always, keep your qubits superimposed and your entanglement strong.